Good afternoon, sir. Our project name is Dual Zone Laser Security System. It will be made to protect the valuable things such as jewelry, money, and the important things from the theft. And here we have used the two lasers with laser beams with the LDRs to detect if someone enters the area, and it will also buzzer out if someone crosses the laser beam. If it break down, it will turn on the buzzer with the LED lights for visual appearance also. And this project will be done by our team members, namely Chandana R, Ekta, Kirti, and me, under the guidance of you, sir. Moving to the next slide, here the abstract overview. This slide will tell us how our project will work. Here we have used the two laser beams with the two LDRs, which will be placed at two different heights, and it detects when someone crosses the area. When someone crosses the beam, it will detect the person or the people, and it will directly turn on the LED with a buzzer to alert us, and it will be very simple and low cost. It will use the little power. Next part will be continued by Chandana.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm going to explain the introduction part of this. Today, safety is a very important thing, so we need a laser security system to protect our valuable things like money, jewelry, and etc. And in our system, we use laser plus LDR combo. LDR means laser dependent resistors, which means it sends the light, and if the laser beam passing through on it, it will there is no change. If it is normal, sir, if any changes, like if a person interrupt there, it will sense and make some sound. It is a simple circuit and gives strong accuracy, and it can be applied for walls, lockers, and showrooms. And moving to the next slide. So literature review. In the LR system, used only single laser beam only, which means it can detect only if a person standing, not if he traveling. Infrared models are costly and complex. In our system, we use dual zone system, which means it can detect in standing and traveling mode. And the next slide will be continued by Kirti.
Good afternoon, sir. Today I am going to explain about objectives. The main objective of our project is to develop a security system that can detect the intrusions at different zones. The first objective is build a dual zone laser alarm system. It will in dual zone laser we use two laser LED laser LDR pace. The and the second point is detect intrusions at two different heights. We use two lasers at
Kirti,
sir.
at two different heights means?
Sir, one laser is placed at a high level, sir.
Okay.
Another laser is placed near the floor, sir.
Okay. Two different height means far and
Standing
Floor
and
and high
traveling.
level, sir.
okay. Continue.
The high, the laser placed at high level will detect the movement of the walking people, and the laser at the uh, floor will detect the craving movements. The third point is trigger instant alert for asset protection. If any yeah, if any interruption occurs, the Arduino will collect the data from the sensors and give alert message. The fourth point is designed with minimal hardware and low cost. We use minimal hardware like laser, Arduino UNO, buzzer, etc. And this project is low cost. The cost is around
Kirti,
1,500.
Kirti,
And the next uh, and the next part will be continued by Ekta.
Kirti.
Sir.
Is it bazaar or buzzer?
Buzzers.
Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. So, like now we'll be looking towards the system components required for our project, and in the hardware we'll be using laser lights as to create the beam of the beam, and like we'll be using Arduino UNO 80 mega 328P microcontroller, and we'll be using LDRs to um, will be using LDRs to detect the interruption of the beam, and BC547 transistor will be used uh, to amplify the signals, and we'll be using registers to control the current, and buzzers will be used for like alerting when the laser is interrupted, and battery as a power source. And Arduino IDE will be using Arduino IDE as software to control the hardware Arduino. We'll write the C program and upload it, and it will execute the logic which will control the Arduino. And for the additional components, we'll be using mirrors to direct the beam in different directions. And breadboard will be used for connections, like without soldering, and to easily connect the circuit. And for the power source, we'll be using 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. Or
Ekta,
yes, sir.
for breadboard connection, now you told doesn't need to solder,
Yes, sir.
right? Then which wire required for breadboard?
Sir.
For breadboard, which wire required for connection between the devices without soldering?
Like sir, to um
There is a specific wire for without soldering. Continue. Jumper wires. Okay.
and for yes, sir.
Hmm.
And we'll be needing for power source 3 volt lithium ion battery or 9 volt battery.
Okay. Ah, Ekta.
Yes, sir.
ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿನೇ ಬೇಕಾ? Is it required any other power source?
Sir, like since we are doing it like as a prototype, we can a low power source.
Uh, you can use voltage converter to convert the low power. Is it necessity to use the batteries? Any other options? Okay. Okay, guys. Done well. Keep it up. And one more point.